Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. Open Bing's Image Creator or enter the Chat with Image option. Start by choosing your aspect ratio, 1 for social, 16, 9 for widescreen, and set pixel size if the tool allows. Then write a tight, actionable prompt. Name the subject, the visual style, lighting, and a dominant color or mood. Once done, hit Generate to see your first variations. This first pass establishes composition and core details, so you can refine next. Once you have initial images, refine by adding or removing specifics. Include style tags like photorealistic or oil painting, and use negative phrases, for example, no text or no watermark, to exclude unwanted artifacts. Make sure to experiment with seed or model variant options if available so you reproduce or vary results predictably. You should also increase iterations or use the upscale feature on the best candidate. This sharpens detail and prepares the image for fine. Select the image that matches your intent and download both the original and any upscaled outputs in PNG or JPG. If you need adjustments, do minor edits in an external editor and keep versions so you can revert. Make sure to save project notes about prompts and settings for reproducibility. If something goes wrong, for example, the tool keeps blocking content or the style is wrong, simplify your prompt, switch the model variant, and verify content filter settings. Then rerun a targeted prompt to get back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.